What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best PVC garage floor tiles on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is WochiTV Non-Slip Drainage Mats PVC Pool Floor Mat. The 8-Pisa 12-inch wood-fired pizza oven brings a durable black stainless steel design that fits perfectly in any backyard or outdoor setting. Its portable frame and folding legs allow users to move the oven easily, creating a flexible outdoor cooking experience. This unit accommodates 12-inch pizzas, ideal for sharing meals at family gatherings or casual parties. The oven uses hardwood pellets as fuel, providing a steady and balanced burn that produces a natural smoky flavor. This authentic wood aroma enhances the taste of pizza, meat, and vegetables in a way that gas grills cannot replicate. Cooking with hardwood pellets also helps maintain even heat throughout the oven, ensuring consistent results with each use. A built-in thermometer allows users to monitor the internal temperature without extra tools. The oven reaches 662 degrees Fahrenheit, the ideal level for starting pizzas or other dishes that require high heat. This feature simplifies cooking and helps achieve perfectly crisp crusts and well-cooked toppings without guesswork. Beyond pizza, the outdoor oven supports a variety of meals. It can prepare steaks, lamb chops, chicken wings, and vegetables, giving home chefs the freedom to experiment with different recipes. Its design encourages creative cooking while maintaining the flavor quality associated with traditional wood-fired methods. The portable and compact nature of the oven makes it suitable for picnics, camping trips, or backyard barbecues. Folding legs allow for easy storage and transport, while the stainless steel construction resists rust and wear from outdoor conditions. This 8-Pisa pizza oven combines authentic wood-fired flavor, high-temperature performance, and mobility in a single outdoor appliance. It is ideal for anyone who wants a versatile cooking solution capable of producing pizzas and other dishes with rich smoky taste, while offering convenience and portability for meals enjoyed outside. In our list, the number 2 product name is Big Floors GarageTrac Diamond. The Big Floors GarageTrac Diamond interlocking garage flooring tiles in graphite offer a practical and stylish solution for modern garages. Each tile measures 12 by 12 inches and comes in a pack of 48, making it easy to cover large spaces efficiently. Constructed from durable high-impact copolymer, these tiles are designed to withstand heavy use, including rolling loads over 40,000 pounds, ensuring long-lasting performance in residential or commercial garages. The textured diamond pattern on each tile provides excellent slip resistance, improving safety when walking or working on the floor. The raised design not only adds traction, but also creates a high-tech, professional look that enhances the appearance of any garage space. The modular nature of the tiles allows for endless design possibilities, letting users create custom layouts that suit both functional and aesthetic needs. Installation is straightforward, requiring no tools or adhesives. The interlocking system allows the tiles to snap together quickly, making it an ideal do-it-yourself project. Each tile fits securely, creating a uniform surface that is easy to walk and drive on. The lightweight design ensures handling and assembly are simple even in larger areas. Maintenance is simple thanks to the sturdy copolymer material. The surface resists stains and can be cleaned easily with a mop or shop vacuum, keeping garages looking tidy despite oil, dirt, dust, or spills. The material is also resistant to wear and tear, maintaining its shape and texture even under constant traffic. These interlocking garage tiles are versatile and compatible with other GarageTrac tiles, enabling homeowners to expand or modify their flooring as needed. With a combination of durability, ease of installation, safety, and design flexibility, these tiles transform any garage into a clean, organized, and visually appealing workspace. The Big Floors GarageTrac Diamond flooring is perfect for creating a professional, functional, and safe garage environment. In our list, the number 3 product name is VEVOR Interlocking Drainage Floor Tiles. The VEVOR Interlocking Drainage Floor Tiles in black offer a practical solution for wet and high-traffic areas. Each tile measures 12 by 12 inches, and the set includes 50 pieces, allowing full coverage of large spaces. Designed with upgraded support pins, the tiles provide efficient drainage, preventing surface water accumulation and keeping floors dry and safe. The drainage holes also improve air circulation underneath, helping maintain a fresh and odor-free environment. Constructed from soft yet durable PVC, these floor tiles maintain their shape and toughness over time. The interlocking system ensures each tile fits snugly with the next, creating a uniform surface that resists movement even under heavy use. This combination of flexibility and strength makes the tiles ideal for various applications, including bathrooms, kitchens, swimming pool areas, commercial kitchens, and restrooms. Assembling these drainage mats is quick and simple. The modular design allows customization to fit specific room layouts. Users can mix and match tiles or cut them to size if needed, creating a tailored floor solution that suits both functional and aesthetic requirements. The black color provides a modern look that complements most interiors, while other color options like gray or blue offer additional versatility. Maintenance is easy thanks to the PVC material, which resists hair, oil, and other debris. A simple rinse or wipe with a damp cloth is enough to keep the tiles clean and hygienic. The non-slip surface offers enhanced traction, reducing the risk of accidents in wet environments. These interlocking drainage mats are versatile, combining safety, durability, and style. They perform well in both residential and commercial spaces, including spas, restaurants, garages, and outdoor patios. The VEVOR drainage floor tiles are an efficient and practical way to keep wet areas dry, safe, and visually appealing, providing long-lasting protection and convenience for everyday use. In our list, the number 4 product name is Big Floors RaceDeck Diamond Plate Design. The Big Floors RaceDeck Diamond Plate Interlocking Garage Flooring Tiles in graphite combine strength, style, and practicality for residential and commercial spaces. Each tile measures 12 by 12 inches, and the set includes 48 pieces, providing enough coverage for garages, workshops, or recreational areas. Constructed from high-impact copolymer, these tiles are engineered to support heavy loads while allowing air and moisture to escape, helping maintain a clean and dry floor surface. The patented diamond substructure ensures durability and long-lasting performance, even under intense usage. The interlocking design makes installation simple and fast. The patented power lock technology allows each tile to snap securely into place without the need for tools, adhesives, or extra hands. This feature makes it ideal for DIY projects, enabling homeowners to transform their garage flooring without professional help. The modular system also allows for customization, so layouts can be adjusted to suit specific spaces or aesthetic preferences. The textured diamond plate surface provides excellent traction, reducing the risk of slipping while walking or working in the garage. Unlike painted or epoxy floors, these tiles resist stains from car oil, dirt, and dust, and cleaning is straightforward with a mop, vacuum, or damp cloth. The durable construction maintains its look and performance over time, even under heavy equipment or frequent foot traffic. The RaceDeck diamond tiles offer endless design possibilities. They can be combined with other RaceDeck flooring tiles to create unique patterns, borders, or functional zones, adding a professional touch to any garage or workspace. Made in the United States, these tiles provide high quality, reliable garage flooring that enhances both safety and appearance. Homeowners and professionals alike can benefit from this flexible, long-lasting, and visually appealing solution for protecting and upgrading their floors while ensuring easy maintenance and superior performance. In our list, the number 5 product name is EVOFoam Matte Tiles. The stalwart EVOFoam Matte Tiles 12-pack provides 48 square feet of interlocking floor coverage for multiple spaces in the home. Each tile measures 24 by 24 inches and is constructed from lightweight black EVOFoam. These mats offer a protective and comfortable surface for a variety of uses, whether in a home gym, garage, playroom, or family room. The soft foam padding absorbs impact, making it ideal for workouts, exercise routines, or creating a safe play area for children. The versatility of these foam tiles makes them suitable for many applications. They can serve as baby play mats, protective layers under exercise equipment, or even flooring for temporary setups like camping tents. Their textured surfaces provide a non-slip grip, helping prevent accidents during physical activities or playtime. The interlocking puzzle-style design allows for quick assembly and disassembly, so the flooring can be adjusted, expanded, or stored with minimal effort. Once connected, the tiles remain firmly in place, ensuring a stable surface for workouts or play. Safety and durability are prioritized in these EVOFoam mats. The material is non-toxic and free from lead, BPA, and phthalates, offering a secure surface for children and adults alike. Cleaning is simple with soap and water, maintaining a hygienic environment without any hassle. The straight-edge pieces included in the pack allow for a finished look along walls or corners, creating a professional appearance while protecting flooring from scratches or damage. These foam floor tiles are practical, flexible, and easy to maintain. The lightweight construction allows them to be moved or rearranged, making them a convenient solution for homes with limited space. Whether creating a dedicated workout area, child-friendly zone, or protective garage surface, the stalwart EVOFoam Matte Tiles deliver comfort, safety, and long-lasting performance for a variety of indoor and outdoor activities.